Hey, and welcome to my office! A different place for me to film a video, but I'm actually in the office today, and one of the things we've noticed is over lockdown, while we've not been at work, our plants have been dying, and we have two of these beautiful cheese plants. I can't pronounce the Latin name, but we've noticed that because we've not been here and being able to water them, they're a bit droopy, and I want to try and save them. And so today I'm going to take some cuttings to propagate some new cheese plants from this. First time I've ever done it, but it looks super simple. I think the cheese plant is one of the easiest plants you can do this with. So I'm gonna show you what I'm doing and take you along for the journey and show you how I hopefully manage to make some more cheese plants and save these ones. As you can see, it's pretty drippy and the other one is looking the same. So I'm gonna take some cuttings and hopefully be able to make a couple more plants at home to bring back when the office reopens. Here is the other one, just so you can see both looking a bit worse for wear, but definitely salvageable. Propagating cheese plants is really easy. All you need to do is take some cuttings, so you need to actually cut the stems off, and you want to cut them just below an aerial root. So I'll show you what that looks like. About ½ inch to an inch below. You're then going to leave it in water. When you get home, it'll propagate some new roots. You put it in soil and voila, it should be that easy. This is what an aerial root looks like. So here we have two stems coming down, and this is an aerial root. So we're going to take a cutting just below, and that is going to be two stems to take back to make the new cheese plant. So you just want to take some cutting, either scissors or a knife. I have these ones because that's what we have in the office. So hopefully that will do the trick. So here's the cutting I've made with the aerial root there next to my pinky, and this is a two-leafed one. So this will be propagated at home in water and grow some more roots, and this will become a whole new plant. Here are the three I'm taking to hopefully make 3 new big, beautiful, healthy cheese plants. Now that I'm home, I've put these cheese plant cuttings into water to propagate the roots, so you can see there. And hopefully when the new roots start to emerge, that's when you pop them into new pots. Just to show you, this is a cheese plant I got from a shop, and it was actually made from a cutting. And you'll see that so regularly they start to produce new leaves, so that will completely unfurl and open up into a big one like this. So a plant from a cutting, when I bought this, it was half the size, so they grow super quickly, and it looks great next to all these other ones. That is an easy, quick tutorial on how to propagate a cheese plant. Perfect for once you've got all those little pots, being able to spread them around your office, house, or with friends and family. It's a great place to start for beginners, and I can't wait to see these when they've fully grown.